everybody. Today we're going to make chocolate chip and M&M cookies. Please download the full recipe so you can cook along with me. Now we add brown sugar, white sugar, and the butter. We mix it.
These cookies would be great for a pajama party.
Now we're going to scrape the bowl. Now we add baking powder, baking soda, salt, and cornstarch. Now we put the eggs. And then we put the vanilla. And now we stir it for 1 minute. Now we add flour and 12 ounces of chocolate and half cup of M&Ms. And now we mix it. We're going to chill it in the refrigerator for 1 hour. Now we're going to scoop it. And you might need a spoon for help.
Place the cookie dough 2 inches apart.
Switch scoops to make it easier. Cookies are ready. Ask a grown-up to help you get it out of the oven. Now the best part, taste testing. We got my brother Jack. He's gonna help us taste test. Those are really delicious. Bye, see you next time.